Today we have to deal with the words of day 70. 70 days we have been doing words almost 15 minutes, 16 minutes a day in the morning. And if you are having a good revision of the words that you've learned, now you must be feeling very comfortable with the words. Let's deal with the question that were asked in set number or day 69. You know, bitter hour is somebody or something that we strongly dislike. So, opposite is favorite. Ashen, very lean, thin, pale, and opposite meaning is vigorous, full of energy, hale, hearty. Blessing, Vardhan, Ashirvad, malison, curse, imprecation, execration, sturdy, strong in build, gaunt, dubla, patla, very weak in structure. Now, the words, the sentences. Imprecation to one's better, एक कर्स जिसको हम डिसलाइक करते हैं, इज बट नेचुरल, वो नेचुरली हम लोग देते हैं. जिसको हम पसंद नहीं करते उसको हमेशा कोसते रहते हैं. दैट इज ट्रू. टू बिकम रॉबस्ट ही ज्वाइंड अ जिम, मजबूत बनने के लिए उसने जिम ज्वाइन किया. बट लैक ऑफ प्रॉपर डाइट मेड हिम हेल. बट लैक ऑफ प्रॉपर डाइट मेड हिम गॉन्ट, मेड हिम हैगर्ड, मेड हिम इमेशिएटेड. प्रॉपर डाइट की कमी थी तो वो दुबला पतला हो गया. फॉल्स. इमेशिएटेड फिगर्स इन सम पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, फिगर्स मीन्स पीपल, दुबले पतले बहुत कमजोर लोग, some parts of the world shows that they are under divine curse, दैवी प्रकोप से जूझ रहे हैं. ट्रू. malediction against our enemies, हम दूसरे को श्राप देते हैं हम दुश्मनों को, एंड फिर श्राप देते हैं टू द पीपल वी लव. blessing to the for the people we love is not a moral behavior. wrong. अपने को जिनको हम पसंद करते हैं उनको तो हम ब्लेसिंग, आशीर्वाद देते हैं. imprecation we don't do. So in that sense the word is false, the sentence is false. Now today words. Authoritative, one who is commanding, it has got two meanings. Authoritative, one is negative and second one is positive. It has come from authority. So a person may be called authoritative when he just passes dictates, just he gives directions every time, हमेशा हुक्म चलाता है. That is commanding in nature, command करने वाला. And authoritative means one who is quite knowledgeable for in a particular field, quite knowledgeable in a particular field. One negative and one positive. एक तो हमेशा हुक्म चलाने वाला और दूसरा जो किसी, जैसे ही इज एन ऑथोरिटेटिव फिगर इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर. बैरन, इनफर्टाइल, जो अनुपजाई है, अनुपजाऊ है. बाईपास, किसी चीज को अनदेखा कर देना, उसका सामना करने से बचना, बच निकलना उससे. सर्कमवेंट हैज गॉट द सिमिलर मीनिंग ऑफ बाईपास. वी डू नॉट फेस, वी जस्ट ट्राई टू go by the side of that without facing it. Circumvention is a noun of circumvent. Commanding is authoritative. Confront, not bypass, सामना करना उसका. Confront का मतलब सामना करना. Debilitated, very weak. Vigorous का opposite. Gaunt, emaciated is equal to debilitated. Decadent, one who is morally or anyway डाउनग्रेडिंग, नीचे की तरफ पतनशील, नीचे गिरता हुआ. डेलिकेट, नाजुक. डेलिकेट एक्चुअली बोथ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव ऑल्सो. अ डेलिकेट मोबाइल फोन हैज गॉट वेरी its operation that can be disturbed very easily, and a delicate person, delicate body that is affected very easily. सो नाजुक मीनिंग होगा, किसी भी सेंस में हिंदी में भी आप नाजुक इस्तेमाल करते हो. डॉज, बाईपास, सेम मीनिंग, धोखा देने के सेंस में, सामना करने से बचना. डायनेमिक, फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. Effeminate, I see a person who has got his behavior equal to females. जो पुरुष स्त्री के बिहेवियर वाला हो उसको इफेमिनेट बोलते हैं. इफेक्ट, वेरी वीक, or in the same way we may call effeminate also. Effectiveness is a noun of effect. Enervated is debilitated, weak, कमजोर. Enfeebled also कमजोर, because feeble का मतलब, feeble is adjective, enfeeble is the verb of feeble. Evade, that is dodge, bypass, सामना करने से बचना. Its adjective is evasive. Its adjective is evasive. We are not trying to confront it, we are trying to avoid it. Face, सामना करने से बचना, सामना करना, सामना करने से बचना, opposite words are there. Feeble, कमजोर, weak. Fruitful, useless का opposite. Incompetent, though the person who does not have, unskillful. Ineffectual, incompetent से जोड़ सकते हो. इफेक्टिव नहीं है. इफेक्ट का दो मीनिंग होता है. One is effeminate, of a person having womanish behavior, and one is not effective. Infecund, fecund means होता है उपजाऊ, fertile, and infecund is barren. Barren is there, probably somewhere it was there. अनुपजाऊ, infertile. Obey, सामना कर, पालन करना, उससे बचना, dodge, opposite word. Potent, very powerful, very effective. Effective it can be there. Ineffectual का opposite potent हो सकता है. Potent medicine, very effective medicine. Powerful also. Productive also. Prolific, barren का opposite. अनुपजाऊ का उल्टा prolific. उपजाऊ. See, prolific has got different situations. If prolific mind is there, good constructive ideas come up very naturally and very fast. Prolific writer is there, he writes books very often. Let's say, we may say, Akshay Kumar is a prolific actor. He produces 3 or 4 or 5 films. He acts 3 or 4 or 5 in 4 or 5 films in a year. So, they are prolific. Robust, very strong, opposite to enfeebled. Strong we have done last day also. Sidestep, same meaning. Dodge, bypass, बचने की कोशिश करना उससे. Sterile is opposite to fertile. Sterile also बंजर होता है, बंजर. Strong, sturdy is equal to robust. Vigorous, full of energy. Virile, opposite to effeminate. A person who is womanish in behavior is effeminate, effete also, and virile, manly, strong. Wriggle out of, that is किसी चीज से अपने आप को तोड़ मरोड़ करके उससे बच निकलना. तो बच निकलने के सेंस में dodge, bypass, wriggle out of also we can do that. किसी से बच निकलना, भाग निकलना उससे. So, wriggle out of, we can say that bypass and dodge both are the similar in meaning. Now, effect. 3 options are there. No longer, effectiveness is a noun, no longer capable of effective action. जो अब बहुत अच्छा एक्शन, इफेक्टिव एक्शन ना ले सके. That is enfeebled, ineffectual, incompetent. वो अब इफेक्टिव एक्शन नहीं ले सकता. Opposite, potent, powerful, dynamic, authoritative, commanding. जो हुक्म चलाए, जो कमांड करे, जो अथॉरिटेटिव हो, जिसकी अथॉरिटी अपना वो हमेशा इंपोज करे. इनइफेक्चुअल का उल्टा. सेकेंड, वीक और वुमेनिश, यूज ओनली फॉर मैन. जो कमजोर हो वुमेनिश बिहेवियर का हो. Feeble, effeminate, innervated weak, feeble weak, delicate also we may say weak, debilitated weak, and effeminate equal to womanish. Opposite, strong or like man. Strong, vigorous, sturdy, robust, strong, and virile like a man. So, effeminate is the synonym of womanish, and virile is the exact antonym of womanish. Meaning third, over refined and unproductive. Look at this, unproductive, जिसका कोई लाभ ना निकले. Sterile, barren, infecund, and decadent. कोई लाभ ना निकल रहे. और उल्टा प्रोडक्टिव, प्रोलिफिक, फ्रूटफुल. So has got different aspects. Just get the general meaning of this word and keep it that effect has got three meanings. Keep it in your mind. Circumvent. Circumvention is a noun. To avoid wrongfully from following rules or law. We are trying to avoid following the rules and law. Is that we are circumventing it. Opposite, bypass, sidestep, evade, dodge, wriggle out of. We are avoiding it, following that. And face, confront and obey. Avoid करना तो सामना करना and then obey, उसका पालन करना. You have got some good words, particularly circumvent and effect were very good words. Take care of them and revise them so that they keep sticking to your mind. Take care of yourselves. See you with the next video. We are meeting then. Thank you.